Hey guys, so this is the C# code from a maze game. We have an outer object called maze game, which contains all the game objects such as a player, spider, coins, and also any other objects like the maze itself. It also contains a timer for score to show your time, and a coin count for the number of coins you collect. You also have a constructor here which initializes your maze. Or this constructor by itself creates a maze, while this constructor initializes the player. So if you go through to this function, you'd see that it creates a maze by itself. So initializing basically initializes the entire 2D maze matrix with all true values, indicating no paths. Creates maze paths creates a bunch of paths using a depth first search. So how that works is that it uses a set of directions which is randomly shuffled to a depth first search and then backtracks to create any paths that have not been created. For an explanation of this, I will attach a link to a document of this video. Um, Going ahead, this is the drawing bit where we have wall width by itself is a dynamically you could call it a scaling component. So you have your index into your wall width that shows you how big your maze is going to be. So bigger mazes will have lesser wall width, but smaller mazes would have higher wall width to expand to the window size. You also have collision detection algorithm that takes a game object. This could be a player, spider, even a coin, and even a bullet for the matter. So what this does is it checks based on your direction or no direction whether you're going to collide into the maze or not. Going forward, we have game object class, an abstract class that is inherited by all game objects. We have some basic elements like the x and y value, lives not implemented yet, so it's like a to-do bit which will be done in the future. And yeah, a bunch of things happen here. It draws a bitmap. We also have player objects that that handle all your player input. We do have projectiles that player can shoot. We have spiders that have own that even follow the player with this bit here with the update function. And that's pretty much it. You can check out my maze and how it works in the video in the description. You look at your main maze game, you also see a bunch of draw function that calls for drawing the maze, the player, every spider, every projectile, and every coin. We also have an update to check all collisions between players and coins, players and spiders, spiders and projectiles, and so forth. And this is a collision function. And that's pretty much it. For a more detailed explanation, you can always message me.